So now I'm going to fix this tear here. Uh, you can use any wood glue. uh, I have available this, which is locally made, Mamint Super PVA, which is white glue, and when it dries transparent. So you can use any wood glue which is white and turn transparent when it's dried. So I would just go over it first. And if you find that the piece of the paper is missing, then only I think you should apply any paper on it, because what we don't want is to change the signature sound of the original speaker intend to make. So once you are done upper side, as you can see that I have applied not less and not too much, and slowly it will soak in. So I'm just waiting to soak in a little bit and then applying a little more above it, tracing the tear where up to it is going. Because if you use paper, the edge of the paper will be softer because of because the cone is thin, and it will tear from that part where it is weak. So I will turn it where it is, and turn it to the side, and now you can see underneath. It's difficult to show you. And just press a little bit so that the paper contact on the place where the tear is, and when the paper contact through the torn part of paper and they both contact each other, and you have a seamless joint. So I have shown you how I do it, and we'll see you later. You can see a previous repair, and this is perfect example that how not to do it. He applied too much glue, and because of that created hard edges, and these hard edges ultimately damaged the soft part where the contrast is much. So you can see the tear started where there is less glue. So try to apply not too much glue and create hard edges. So this is a repaired crack. It is still not completely dried. It looks dark on the place of the crack, and a little bit here. and little bit here. This is what I repaired. This was previously done, so avoid it. This was a bad repair. It looks little dark, and let's see how it looks after drying.